Do you provide too much information? Think about the last email you received that went on and on. Did you read it from beginning to end? Or did it fall into the too hard basket? Have you been guilty of doing the same yourself? It's quite easy to feel the need to include more information than is actually needed, or multiple messages within the same email because 1. You want to avoid sending too many emails, or 2. You don't have the time to shorten its length. We're constantly bombarded by emails. So, are your readers going to read any part of your email if it bounces from one topic to the next, or there's more information included than they actually need to know? The simple act of checking emails can be overwhelming, let alone one that's long and cluttered with too much information. By giving too much information, your reader can easily become overwhelmed and confused. They don't know what you want them to do. The reaction of a confused mind is usually paralysis. Nothing happens. In the end, the time you spent constructing that rather long email was wasted. So how can you avoid including too much information? Well, the way to do this is by planning what you're going to write. Now, if your first reaction to me saying that is that you just don't have the time, then think of it this way. Spending 5 minutes planning the key parts of your message will save time in follow-ups due to no or little response, or emails going back and forth asking for clarification. When you plan what you're going to write, then you're able to consider your reader, who he or she is, and what he or she needs to know. From there, look at the information that you have and decide what's most important and what you want your audience to do. If your message is clear, then you're more likely to have an outcome of action rather than inaction from your audience.